impressive. Have either of you thought about a career in professional sports? Ouch! That one.
That's what you get for trying.
Your client has information that belongs to Chairman Trek. Come on, don't make this hard on yourself. Give him up.
Help! These brutes are trying to kill me!
Take out the law backs!
We're not letting you out
Here, I'm on the ropes now!
There's more of them! Hey, get them off my back and I'll make you famous!
Now that's impressive. Have either of you thought about a career in professional sports?
Good work, kid. I think that's all of them. Boy, am I happy to see a couple of friendly faces. I've been running from those blarg all night.
Hey, you're that famous sports agent, Don Wonderstar.
You got that right, kid. Listen, I got a big problem. I'm supposed to take Skid McMarks to the Blackwater City hoverboard competition on Rilgar, and this place is crawling with sand sharks. Skid's gotta be near the ship. I just need someone to help clear out these sand sharks so I can get to them. Think you can help me out?
No problem. Wait here. We'll take care of it.
You two are true heroes. I mean that. Skid's my star client. Please find him.
Heroes knew that Skid McMarks was nearby. But where? Where, I ask you?
Perhaps we should explore Skid's Sports Shack again. There may be something useful there.
You two are gonna be huge. Holo films, holo games, the works.
Knew that Skid McMarks was nearby. But where? Where, I ask you?
Perhaps we should explore Skid's Sports Shack again. There may be something useful there.
Let's pick a new planet. It looks like we've still got some work to do here.
You two are gonna be huge. Holo films, holo games, the works. I think I found my new clients.
Wait, is that Skid McMarks up ahead?
Oh man, am I happy you two dudes showed. I've been out here all night.
I can't believe it, Skid McMarks. I have seen every one of your races. You pulled off a triple Nova spin at Mach 2 at last year's Kerwin Cup.
It's always good to meet a fan, little dude.
I am Clank. This is Ratchet. Your uncle received your infobot and asked us to assist you.
Oh, I was wondering if he got that. My agent and I have been running from those blog all night. Only we ended up getting separated in the chaos, and I took a gnarly fall getting out of the Skid McMark Sports Shack. Hey, think you dudes can clear out the sand shark so I can get to my ship? Give me my hoverboard if you do.
Whoa, a real McMarks 4000? Consider it done.
Watch out for those sand sharks, bro.
Sharks. I don't suppose you dudes could help me get rid of them. You're doing great, dude. Just a few more left. Hey, are you dudes, like, hungry? Because when this is over, I can go for some food. You know, like a cheeseburger or some space pizza. I think Quark's Grub Grab still delivers this late.
When you want to upgrade a weapon.
This sector is still crawling with sand sharks. I don't suppose you dudes could help me get rid of them. sector's still crawling with sand sharks. I don't suppose you dudes could help me get rid of them. You got them all! Nice work, little dudes!
That was pretty awesome. Thanks for your help. Here's your hoverboard.
Whoa, and it's autographed. To Ratchet and Clank, the chillest dudes I've ever hung out with on a hostile alien planet. Cool.
Will you be able to get home on your own?
I'll be okay, though I don't think I'll be able to compete in the Blackwater City hoverboard competition. Kind of a bummer, dude. We really appreciate you helping us out.
So where are you off to now?
Hospital, I guess. Gotta get this leg checked out.
A hospital? Skid, come on. You've been through worse. What are we gonna do about your sponsors?
I'm beginning to think you don't, care about me or whatever.
Fine. What about you, Renchi?
Ratchet.
Exactly. You want to be a hoverboard star? This infobot will give you all the details. Just tell him Don Wonderstar sent you.
It's that time again. The annual Blackwater City Hoverboard Competition on Planet Rilgar. Are you a young thrill seeker looking to show off your hoverboard skills? Then blast on over to Rilgar and experience the pulse-pounding thrill of doing Mach 3 on a rocket-powered piece of plastic. How exciting is the race? Just listen to some of our previous champions.
I never miss the Blackwater City Hoverboard Competition, except for next year's. I probably won't make that one. I can't feel my toes. Is that normal?
We're offering cash prizes and holo cards to the winners. So head to Planet Rilgar and take a shot at the most extreme sporting event in the galaxy. And try not to die.